Ever wondered why your plants don't seem to thrive despite your best efforts? Could common garden pests or diseases be the culprit? Today, we're delving into these unseen challenges that may be hindering your garden's growth. Discover how to manage these issues and foster a flourishing garden. The first step towards a healthy garden involves identifying the common pests and diseases that may plague your plants. Let's start with aphids, tiny insects that suck the sap from plants, causing wilting and yellowing. Slugs, on the other hand, are notorious for munching on leaves, and beetles can quickly defoliate plants. As for diseases, powdery mildew presents as a white powdery fungus on leaves, while black spot is just as it sounds, black spots on foliage. Once you've identified the problem, it's time to take action. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process to manage these garden nuisances. It all begins with prevention. Cultivate a resilient garden by choosing disease-resistant plants and ensure they're in the right conditions with proper sun exposure and well-drained soil. Next, consider natural remedies. Encourage beneficial insects and birds that prey on pests by providing a welcoming habitat. Companion planting can also deter pests. For example, marigolds are known to repel various insects and nematodes. Regular monitoring is crucial. Check your plants frequently for signs of pests or disease. Early detection makes management easier and more successful. If natural methods aren't enough, consider chemical treatments. But remember, use them as a last resort. Opt for ones that are targeted and less harmful to the environment. Maintenance is key. Keep your garden clean, remove diseased plants, and rotate crops to prevent the buildup of pests. With these steps, you can take control and ensure your garden remains healthy and vibrant. Managing garden pests and diseases may seem daunting, but with knowledge and consistent action, you can create a thriving garden. We've covered identification, management steps, and now it's your turn. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Remember, a healthy garden is a happy garden.